Mandala, also pronounced mandala. What is a mandala? A mandala is a spiritual symbol in Buddhism and Hinduism. These religions are popular in Asia, in particular China and India. It's a symbolic representation of the universe with an inner and outer world. The word mandala comes from Sanskrit, an ancient Indian language. Literally, mandala means circle. The circle is seen as a magical form without a beginning or an end, just as the universe is believed to have no end. Mandalas refer to a sacred space where deities, gods or spirits, are invited to enter. This space can be physical, like a palace, or spiritual, within you. To invite spirits into one's inner world, people utter mantras. A mantra is a sound, word, or phrase that can be repeated so that a person can concentrate more during meditation. Meditating is the process of deep thinking and focusing one's mind over a period of time. People can stare at a mandala to help focus their attention while meditating. Because of the symmetrical shape, your attention is directed to the center. It has been said that the longer you look at a mandala, the more focused and calm you become. When your mind and soul is relaxed and at peace, the outer world is united with your inner world. Coloring can be a form of relaxation, and one of the most popular types of patterns to color is the mandala. Mandalas are usually circular geometric patterns. Some people find the drawing and the coloring of a mandala as a form of meditation. As they focus on coloring in the patterns of the form, they relax. Their mind grows quiet, and they may enter a spiritual space. A traditional mandala design is a circle that has a square with 4 gates inside. Within the square, there's another circle with a central point. The shapes are highly decorated with a variety of shapes, patterns, and colors. What kind of mandala will you create?